Hey guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I am going to share with you what I made in the month of February. So let's get to it. So the first thing that I made in the month of February was this vest. It was supposed to be a cardigan, but as it turns out, because I did not use the recommended fabric for this, there wasn't enough stretch in the sleeves, so I had to cut those off. I think I did a video, or either a video or blog post all about that process, I think. But anyway, so this is a reversible fabric. It's really soft and very fluffy. I was gifted this from Minerva. It was my Minerva make for the month of February, and I just thought the lip print was really cute. So since the cardigan didn't work, I just turned it into a vest, and it works out really well. It's really super soft and very comfortable, so I'm actually happy I was able to save this. I actually do have some leftover fabric. At some point I may make this one of these butterick pattern, one of these hats. I haven't tried this pattern. I've had it for years, and so I may do one of these with some of the leftover fabric, since, like I said, it is reversible. So I would like something with a brim that kind of rolls up maybe, and that could be the pink side or whichever side I want. Now the next thing I made were these pants from October magazine, and that's this here. This is the autumn winter issue 5 2021. You can buy single issues sometimes, but these were the pants here. I really like the way those look, and I love that outfit. So that is why I decided to do this. I did a separate video on doing the slant pockets, because that took some information, extra information, and some little bit of research to figure that out. But these are the pants. I really do like how they turned out. I did a blog post, that just a brand new blog post, which is actually up today, the day I'm filming this, about how there are not a lot of instructions in this magazine. So for doing things like the fly, I had to get more information on doing that, because that is really something that I'm not used to, and every time I do it I read the instructions all over again and just do it step by step, but they don't give you those step-by-step instructions. So I actually did copy instructions off of another pattern, and that is how I was able to do it. I think I could have done a better job with the fly if I had done also more marking on the pattern pieces. I'm a person who needs good instructions, like detailed instructions, because I'm really good at following directions, and good markings so that I know exactly where things are supposed to go. So but yeah, these did turn out, and this is a fabric, I don't know if you can tell, it's got like a gold thread that goes through there. I've had this fabric for years, literally many years. So I was glad to be able to make something to use up that fabric. So that was another thing I made in the month of February. Now, the last thing that I did in the month, and I think I actually finished this like the last day, or maybe a couple days before the end of February, was this blazer here. It's called the Nikki blazer, and it's from Style Sew Me Patterns. This is it here, and I did this as my entry for the Black History Month Pattern Designers Challenge that is over on Instagram. So that was my entry for this. This is not the first time I've made this blazer. I did make it once before, but this time what I did is I did make a larger size. I think I probably should have made a larger size then, but I just like how the details of the blazer, it's got like a soft kind of a peplum almost at the back, and I was able to use up some more fabric stash with the lining, here. But the blazer turned out really well. I did also put in the shoulder pads. I have not done shoulder pads in anything in a long time. Pattern does call for shoulder pads. It just gives a little bit more structure at the shoulders. So, but those were the things that I made for the month of February. So that is it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That will help to push it out to other people who might be interested in sewing and seeing what's going on in the sewing community. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss another upload, when I upload my next video. But yeah, just let me know what you all are up to. If you have any questions or comments, we'll leave it down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.